What's up, YouTube? This is my reaction to watching what's her name, Plowman girl, Giovanna Plowman, eating her own period. Yeah, some nasty shit. Let me just say something. I watched the other reaction video before. People were just freaked out. I wasn't sure if it was true. I was looking on Facebook, and this thing came up about Giovanna Plowman eating her own period. I mean, what the fuck? Really? It's alright. I'm gonna watch the video right now. Alright.
Wide open running back. Did you see that?
Oh shit.
You don't know what that score represents.
Oh.
Quick start, 17-0 Atlanta. They made it look easy doing it.
Oh my god. Don't eat it. Don't.
Dual threat with his arm, with his legs, with his mind, the way he runs this.
Why are you doing that? Yo, you're a nice girl. Come on, why do you gotta do this to yourself, yo?
Accidentally.
Wow. Gone and dropped your iPod. Wow. Alright. She's like freaking out. She needs a chair.
Plug it back in.
The debut of Gen 6 cars. New cars that are putting stock back into stock.
What do you say?
Don't do it. Don't. No, 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 no. Keep smelling it, yo. Oh, don't do that. No, no, yo, round two, that's nasty. Oh! Yo, she should have kept watching the Falcons game, yo. It's nasty, yo. Oh! That's fucking. Oh shit. Yo, why'd you keep it in your mouth that long? That's nasty. Alright. Can't wait for this video to end, yo. Oh yeah, of course you're throwing up. That's disgusting. That is disgusting. Yeah, okay, round three, really? That is disgusting, okay. Okay. What did you just drink?
What?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, throw up. It's disgusting. Of course you're throwing up. Stupid. Wow. Well, you know, that's the video. That's terrible. Yeah. Just watch the whole video. I don't watch the show. That's it. That's disgusting, yeah.